All right, for our second lesson for main idea, for the skill main idea for our case study for Briana Smith, our lesson is identifying the main idea of a brief passage right here in our text. So she has several cards that go through 10. So you'll have, for example, for this passage that says number 2, you'll have the passage, 2A, multiple choice questions, 2B, another multiple choice question, and 2C, another multiple choice question, each focusing on the skill of main idea and identifying supporting details as well. And so Briana has started that particular activity already. She's completed number 1, and she has gotten all 3 of the multiple choice correctly. And Briana, what's the strategy that we use to identify the main idea?
5-finger strategy.
5-finger strategy. All right. Do you still trace your hand, or do you just know it by heart now?
Trace my hand.
You still trace your hand? Okay. Very good. And that's fine. And that's a strategy that she's able to use. And then when she wants to use that strategy, she can trace her hand on notebook paper and write the who, did what, when, why, where for that particular strategy to assist her in identifying the main idea and details. Okay, and so this is the particular lesson here. And then also after identifying the answers to the multiple choice question, a continuation on to this activity. This is more so for a group activity, and for a larger group, which ice cream treat will be named the most popular at Izzy's. So basically looking at the recording of your answers, looking for if it was A, B, C, or D, which milkshake received the most, how many A's did we get for this particular milkshake, how many B's did we have for the ice cream sundae, how many C's for the ice cream cone, and then the root beer flow. Again, you can do this with a large group. She can do it by herself as well, but this activity for this particular lesson is more geared toward a group. But then, of course, this one right here can be individual, or you can work with a partner and with a group. But this also gives her extra practice for this particular lesson in identifying main idea and supporting details. Briana, you having a good time? All right, good job. All right, continue.